Hello, my dear friends. Most people want to change their life, but almost no one changes it. Not because they are lazy, but because they are waiting for the perfect moment. And the truth is, that moment never comes. Look at your life honestly. Maybe you want a better career, better English, and more confidence, or simply a better future. But every day you say, I'll start tomorrow, and tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year, and slowly your dreams become regrets. Real change is not dramatic. It doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in small decisions. The decision to wake up earlier. The decision to practice when others scroll social media. The decision to improve a little every day. Because success is not one action, it is repeated actions. Most people think if I feel motivated, I will work. But successful people think differently. They say, even if I don't feel motivated, I will still work. Motivation is temporary, but discipline changes your life. Imagine two people. Person 1 waits for motivation, and person 2 works every day for just 30 minutes. Reading, learning, improving. After 1 year, the difference between them is massive. Not because one was smarter, but because one was consistent. Here is a simple rule that can change your life. Improve just 1% every day. Learn one new word. Read one page. Practice one skill. Small progress may feel slow, but over time, small progress becomes extraordinary success. Stop comparing your life to others. Everyone has a different starting point. What matters is this question: are you better than you were yesterday? If the answer is yes, then you are already winning. Remember this: your future is not decided by luck, it is decided by your daily habits, the books you read, the skills you practice, the thoughts you believe. Every small decision is building your future. One day you will look back at your life and you will see two possibilities. Either you will say, I wish I had started earlier, or you will say, I'm glad I didn't give up. The choice starts today. If you are serious about improving your life, comment change below and start becoming the person your future self will thank you for. Subscribe the channel for daily powerful English.